You got a lot of nerve after that shit Pendrew pulled at the funeral. What, he sent you to finish the job?
Pendrew doesn't know I'm here, all right? I'm completely violating protocol. Look, I never wanted you for this job because of what Dog Eyes did to your sister and how you handle things in San Francisco. But you've done better than anyone could have expected. I can only imagine the pressure you must have been under.
Don't get sappy on me now, Raymond.
Wait, you crossed Pendrew, right? He's cut you off. And this is your last chance to come in clean.
What? But what's he gonna do? Arrest me? Call me a rogue cop? Look, I need you to be straight with me. Is he gonna blow my cover?
Look, I don't know what he'll do. Not anymore. Wait, just come back with me now. You're a good man. We can fix this. Smooth it over with Pendrew.
Jackie, not now. I'm busy.
Mr. Shen, we have your friend, so listen very carefully. You'll receive our instructions. Follow them if you want him to live.
Look, it's Jackie. I need to go.
Wait. Wait!
Hold it right there. Put him down, Mule Shoes.
Try anything and your friend dies. Oh, he's clean.
Where's Jackie?
Go ahead. The man is down there.
Where's Jackie?
You're as dumb as you look. Kill him! You know we're not letting you out of here! For a moron!
Jackie!
You're never going to find him! Stop! Stop!
Where's Jackie?
I don't know! I don't know what they did with him!
What do you mean you don't know?
I was just supposed to kill you. I don't know anything about the other guy.
Who does?
DY, H&K's head enforcer.
How do I get to him?
I don't know. I only talked to him by phone.
You tell me, and I might let you live, you stupid fucker.
I only talked to him on my phone. Here, take it.
Push his car!
You are?
Who the hell is this? Where's Horseface?
This is New Shoes. I work for Horseface.
I'm not talking to you. Put your boss on.
He's dead. Shen killed him.
What?
Shen killed him. Plan didn't work.
What? What plan? Who is this? I don't know anything about any plan.
Horseface said if the job went bad, I should call you. Find out what to do with the body.
Which body?
I have a lot here for you, mister. But I'm guessing you only care about one of them.
So did you kill him or not? Quit wasting my time.
We killed him. Funny thing, though, I hope you're not afraid of ghosts. I've come.
Damn it!
Salty, this is Way. I need a boat and I need a gun. Can you meet me in Kennedy Town? And Salty, make it a big gun, okay? I don't want to fuck around. Thanks. Thanks, but this is personal. Jackie! Jackie, shit! Oh, fuck!
Fuck, man.
You're alive.
You
Come
know
on.
what's how I fucking crazy. Fuck.
Are you okay?
Fuck, man. Fuck. Oh, man.
Calm down. I'm right here, brother.
Thought I was gonna fucking die down there, man. Fuck. Thought I was gonna die like an animal, man. Fucking like a dog or something.
Come on, brother. You okay? I got your back.
Fuck. Fuck. Duh. Wait. Thanks, bro.
How'd they get you?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off the 18K, man.
Yeah, they used you to get me to an ambush.
Big Smile Lee. Fuck this work with dog eyes, man. Fuck.
Get him, Jack. Come to the lecture. Tell the others what happened. That'll be the end of Lee.
Man, I don't want anything to do with any of this shit anymore. Sit on me, broken nose, Lee. I'm done with all that, man. Dream about me. Sit on me, you know? Look at me. Dead.
So what do you want to do now, Jackie? The election's tomorrow. We'll want to check out the building, make sure that Big Smile Lee isn't planning any surprises. But we got some time to kill.
I don't know. I almost bought it today, man. For real. I think I'm just gonna go take a walk or something. Got some shit to think about.
Sure, man. It's cool.
I'll see you tomorrow or something.
All right. Don't do anything stupid.
Thank you.